Hi, good afternoon, traders. It's Aaron, one of the senior traders here at Platinum Trading Academy. I'm here to take you through one of our Trade of the Day videos. We're actually going to recap the last couple of days because we had a few trades trigger. Apologies for not uploading the videos any quicker, but we're going to do that today. So essentially what we've got is a few trades triggering on Monday, and we've got a couple of trades triggering on the other days too. So in order to show you these trades, I'm going to go to March the 7th, obviously, being the date on the Monday, and show you which trades triggered. So for any of you guys that are not aware or Platinum clients, obviously we provide a Platinum trading floor. What that is where we publish all of our analysis each and every day. So if I'm going to scroll down, the three trades that triggered on the Monday, we had $2 Swisses and 1 Kiwi. So what we'll do is we'll scroll down to the dollar Swiss. If it wants to get there, there we go. Okay, so we've got the dollar Swiss daily update. So what we can see is the dollar's corrective persists and resistance at 99.85, 1.0010. Okay, so effectively, if there's resistance at these areas, you guys should know by now if you watch these videos on a regular basis that we match these areas to sell zones on our algorithm and we take those as trades. So what we'll do is we'll go to the algo, we'll go to the dollar Swiss, and we'll go to the Monday. So you can see that that's just this day here. So effectively, let's look at the levels. So the levels was 99.85, and we can see that it does match to a zone at 1.0010. Okay, so the first zone here was a loss. So you can see this was a minus 20 pips. But then we've got the second zone here. That was a good trade. You're looking at around, well, you can see in the end that the market's come down in excess of 70 points there. So some real nice risk to reward on that particular trade there. But if you're being conservative and you're only going for your 30-40 pip mark, that's probably what you would have got from that particular trade. Then the third trade that triggered on that particular day was the Kiwi trade. I think that was the 67.64 level. Just double check that though by looking at the analysis. We'll see here Kiwi's recovery persists with support now at 67.90, 67.40. So what we'll do is let's go to the Kiwi. Oops, daisy, there we are. Okay, so I get the Kiwi dollar up just. Oh, don't want to be opening up those things. There we are. So we've got the Kiwi dollar, and let me just bring this across. Okay, lovely jubbly. So we've got the Kiwi dollar just in here, and I believe that was the 67.64 level. Just bear with 2 seconds, and I'll double check that. And we can see from the chart that yes, this is the 67.64 level. So we can see 67.64, and you can see the market's gone in excess of 45-50 pips there. You can see that even with a 20 pip stop loss, you would have been fine. It's about 16-17 pips away, so it would become close. It wouldn't have stopped you out, so that was a good trade there. Then let's go to the 8th now. So we're going to go to the analysis for the 8th of March. That's the great thing about the trading floor, guys. I mean, you can got the LT archives here. So just go on to the analysis for the 8th, and what we're going to do is we're going to have a quick look at which trades triggered and which ones didn't. The trades that triggered here, we've got the euro dollar and we've got the Kiwi dollar. So let's go to the euro. Okay, so we can see in here, euro is establishing platform to enable this recovery to extend considerably further, and support is now at 1.1000. So we've got 1.1000 in there to 1.0970. So what do? We go to the chart, we go to euro. We see yesterday 1.1000 support is this buy zone just in here, and you can clearly see market's gone in excess of 50-60 pips. Interestingly enough, some of our clients should have taken another trade there on euro yesterday, which is a chart that we provided for the euro. This is the chart here. We stated that euro is in this trap range at 1050 to 0830. So clients should have been matching the 1050 level to a zone, and you can clearly see that this is the zone that triggered in here. You can see it's matched the zone and it's gone down in excess of 40 pips. So again, you could have 40 going down, 40 on the way up if you really wanted to on that particular day. for one currency, for the Kiwi. Now, for the euro, beg my pardon. Now, next we're going to go on to the Kiwi. Let's just have a double check on the analysis first. I believe it's the same level, 67.64. It's the same level that triggered here, but we can just double check. The Kiwi's recovery persists and support now at 67.70, 67.50. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to the chart and we're going to have a look there. I believe it is the same level in there. It is indeed, yes. So we've got the 67.46 coming in here, which is correlating obviously to the 67.50 buy zone. We can see market going in excess of sort of 30 pips on that particular trade there. So again, a very, very nice trade. So those are the 2 trades that triggered for Tuesday. There's been 3 trades triggered today. One was a dollar Swiss. Unfortunately, that was a loss. That was at 1.0010. We've had a Aussie dollar longer term trade trigger, and we've had a Kiwi intraday trade that's already made its pips. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to show you the analysis for that first, guys, so you can have a look at the analysis. So we're going to scroll up to March 9th. And we're going to come all the way down to the bottom of the page. So the first trade that I mentioned in there, which was the dollar Swiss trade, you can see just in here, resistance lying at 1.0010. So unfortunately that one was the loss, but the gain was the resistance lying here at 67.85. So that's clearly triggered on the particular chart. If we bring that just to there, so we've got 67.85 just in here, pretty much bang on, bang on the level, 67.85, and the market's reversed in excess of 20 pips. That's a great trade there. Then obviously we've had the Aussie order, the longer term trade that's just triggered, which is a short at 7,500. That one's literally just triggered in, so it was sort of 15-20 minutes ago. So that one in there, we're looking for a target of 73.50. So it's about 150 pip target to a 40 pip stop loss. So it's a great risk to reward ratio, obviously, on that particular trade. So those are the trades for the past 3 days. Quite a few trades triggering. There's 2 losses in there, and I believe there was, well, let's have a look back actually, how many trades there was in particular. Let's do a quick check. So there was 7 trades, 5 winners, 2 losers in total. The number of pips is really dependent on sort of the amount of profit you would have taken from those, but it's in excess of a sort of 100 pips taken in a few days. So trading at £10 a point, £1,000 in it, guys. In terms of if you are interested in what you've seen here, and obviously if you're not a Platinum member already, then it's a very easy process. All you have to do is go to our main website, click on the free consultation button in the top right hand corner, fill in your details, name, email, telephone, and one of our account managers will be in contact with you shortly to get a free consultation booked in for you to see if what we do here is for you or not. Okay, so thanks for that, guys. Really appreciate it for listening. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more details. And if you'd like to speak to me in the future, just leave your details with us. All right, appreciate it. Thanks. Bye-bye.